Hey there, Binance users! Today, I'm going to show you how to set stop limit orders on Binance like a pro. It's a great tool to help manage your risk and ensure you can buy or sell at the right price. First, log into your Binance account and head over to the trading section. Now let's say you want to open a position. Click on either the buy or sell button, depending on what you want to do. In the order type section, select stop limit. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to enter the stop price. This is the price at which your stop limit order will be triggered. Think of it as the safety net that catches your trade at the right moment. For example, if you're buying, set the stop price slightly above the current market price. If you're selling, set it just below. Now enter the limit price. This is the price at which you want to execute the order once the stop price is hit. Keep in mind, the limit price should be close to the stop price to increase the chances of your order being filled. Finally, enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Double-check all your details and click Place Order. And that's it. You've successfully set a stop limit order on Binance. By using stop limit orders, you can better control your trades and protect your investments. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Binance tips.